welcome to Tina's Creative Corner. Today I'll introduce you to my new brother sewing and embroidery machine, SA600. So let's go. This is the screen. It's in color. On the side here, there's the button to turn on the machine. This is how it looks when you started. The button here shows that it's not ready to work yet. It's going to be green later. Here is the main part for the embroidery, and I'll press OK. We're gonna cancel the previous project. All of the designs come with a machine. I can show you that, like the letters, then you do this arrow to see all the letters they have. If you want to go back, you just press this, then we can do design. I'm trying to kind of show it closer to you. Then again, this is how you list and check. Then of course, if you want to pick, press one of these, and then we're gonna go later to that. Now go out. So there is a little cute cat. First project we did this cute dog with my twins. They were so excited and we picked that, but it took us 45 minutes, so it was kind of long, a little bit longer than I expected for the first project. Here you can cut your thread. I prefer to use the fastest speed. So in this bag, we got these bobbins with this white thread. That's what comes in. Then it comes with some tools. I don't have yet time to check all these. Then we have here some extra needles, double needle. We use the regular machine. And these are for the here part for the thread. You put the thread and then you put this. Comes with operation manual. When you register, and please register your machine. I did have issues with the registration, didn't recognize the number online, so I had to contact them by email. They responded right away. They solved the problem right away, and they gave me a code so I can use some of their free designs for embroidery. This manual, it's pretty much everything. I will tell you how you can upload from other websites new designs and how you can transfer them from the USB. So this is my USB. You put it on a side and then you transfer the designs. I had to purchase the thread, right? This is the brand Embroidery. I got these 40 spools for just $24 on Amazon. The numbers are matching with the embroidery designs, which I purchased for $1.99. I'm going to put in the description below the link for the website. I found those amazing designs for $1.99. You can use any thread with polyester. It doesn't have to be embroidery. Embroidery thread has that beautiful shine, and that's the reason why I like it more. But if I want just make some simple patches for the kids, or they do some project, I use just any polyester thread because it's much cheaper. I also like this color chart. I'm gonna need to order more because these are not enough colors of what I need. Well, let's go and see what we're gonna do. Okay, let's do this lipstick. We ladies, we love lipsticks. Put that on set. Then let's see here how it's gonna look. Oh, looks so cute. Then let's see here how it's gonna look on a hoop in the middle. Let's press OK, size or move. Let's press move, and let's go more down. Then if I'm not sure how much down I went, I'm gonna go back to the screen, back here, still there, more down. And you can see here how it's going slowly down, down. Yep. Back here. Perfect. That's great. Okay. So now let's put the bobbin thread so it goes here. Since I have prepared hoop, we're gonna go a little bit like this. gently under. Then you see, guys, on the side, these, I don't know if you can see, yeah, these need to go under these here and click. So I'm gonna just put like this, gently push on the side, and that's it. Even I did it with one hand, so it's perfect. Fits great, doesn't move. Then button should go down when we prepare the thread and everything. I'm gonna press OK. Edit end, so we're done with editing. We're gonna press embroidery, and then right away here you're gonna see the numbers of the thread and how many stitches, how many minutes it's gonna take to make this project. We need embroidery 086. I'm not sure if I have right that color, but I can use some similar color. Let me prepare my colors and we're gonna start. Here in the package, as you can see, you have on the top box and then below more thread, so it's pretty a lot, 40, and I'm not sure how. It's 100% polyester and it's 500 meter. Yeah, okay. 086 is matching, but then I don't have 333, but I'm gonna use 107. It's kind of similar. And then I have 817, and then again I don't see the 704, but I'll use 707. Let's start and let's go to the project. Here I already put the thread, so how it's gonna go, and then I'm gonna go here, you see this little hoop, through that with both hands, so it's gonna go through this, then behind this plastic, if you can see, like this, then you go down, all the way down, then it shows you a little arrow here, you go up, and then do you guys see that I use this little hoop, so it has to go over that. Click on this, if you can see this little thing, so click here, go down to the needle, needle goes up. These scissors also come with a machine, and you go through this little hoop, take it on your left. I like to go on my left, and then if you can see this white part, kind of to zoom it, using fingers, putting like this on the back. We're gonna put down package I ordered with the machine and with the thread, so that's called Tearaway Stabilizer. We use this on the back of the fabric. Let's go and put together the fabric and frame and the paper and see how it's gonna look. You want to make sure that this screw is open. This is kind of loose, then you can fit easily the fabric stabilizer and the top of the frame. Push. Looks nice. I like to have excess fabric on the side, and then you can gently pull sides. Then when we are sure how we like it and it's good, then we're gonna turn here, and then we're gonna do this screw on the right. So here you can see on the screen how the color goes, and here that it's 1 minute, so it's already done. So now when we finish this color, as you can see here, so it was 1 minute, the color already switched, so now we have a little darker pinks. I'm gonna here cut the thread and pick out this one and place the new one. I put the new little bit darker color here where you can cut the thread. There is a certain size you can make bigger or smaller, the lipstick. So here is the new spool. That's been third color that we are using, and then we hit again green button and we go. We can pause now. Sometimes I pause and I with scissor gently cut this extra. I take these scissors and I cut and move it on the side. Go back.
I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine.
I love the size of the lipstick and the letters Diva on the top. This is kind of cool. I could even frame it and keep it like a decoration on my desk. You can make it bigger or smaller. Any project you make depends on the size machine can provide. You can test, practice. Also pick the choice of your colors. Doesn't have to be how it says. This is for the project. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.